Welcome back, everyone, and if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you too. Have you ever accidentally deleted an important file, even emptied it from the recycle bin and thought it was gone forever? Well, today I am going to show you how to recover those deleted files completely free using a tool called Recuva. So let us get straight into it. Okay, so I already have Recuva installed on my PC from the Microsoft Store. Let me open it now. As soon as I open it, the Recuva wizard pops up. This makes the whole recovery process really simple, even if you have never used the tool before. I'll click Next to continue. Now it's asking me a question, file location. Where were the files? Since I want to recover files from my recycle bin, I'll select In the recycle bin and click Next. Now Recuva tells me it's ready to search for my files. There's also an option here called Enable Deep Scan, which you can use if a normal scan doesn't find what you're looking for. But for now, I'll leave that unchecked and click Start. And there we go. Recuva is now scanning my drive for deleted files. You can see the progress bar here, along with how many files it has found so far. This usually takes just a minute or two, depending on how much data is on your drive. And the scan is complete. Look at this. Recuva has found a long list of deleted files, along with useful details like the file name, the path it was deleted from, when it was last modified, the file size, and even its recovery state, whether it says excellent, very poor, or unrecoverable. This state tells you how likely the file is to be successfully restored. Now, let's recover a few files. I'll scroll through this list and select 3 CSHTML files that I want to bring back. I simply click the checkbox next to each one. Before clicking Recover, I need to choose where these files will be restored to. I have a folder ready here on my desktop called APDF, and right now it is completely empty. I'll click the Recover button and browse to select this APDF folder as the destination. And there we go. The recovery is complete. Let's go check that folder now. And look at this. All 3 files have successfully appeared inside the APDF folder, exactly where we want it. This is honestly such a powerful tool to have. Whether you accidentally deleted an important document, a project file, or even a video, Recuva gives you a real second chance to get it back, completely free and without needing any technical expertise. So that is exactly how you recover deleted files using Recuva. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. And if you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial like this one. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the very next video.